Oh man, there is so much work today. I'll have to do the work at home as well. Hey Rohit, what are you doing today?
Hey boss, I'm working on new data assignment.
Okay, I have a new assignment for you and I want it by end of the day.
What? Another?
Good luck. Oh man, I'll have to work at home and my wife will fight me again.
Wait, that's not me. That's never me. But if you are facing problem balancing your work and life, so I'll be giving you real help for balancing your work and life. So keep watching the video. I'm Rohit and you're watching Coding Pack. We will be back. I know work-life balance is a challenge. You know about 60% of working Indians rate their work-life balance between average and terrible. Is not that stat very serious? Yes, it is. So why work-life balance is so difficult? And why it is very difficult to come out of it? There can be a couple of reasons for it. But the biggest reason for that is the habit of people doing too much multitasking. So if you are also doing the same, just stop right there without any question asked. Just stop right there. Stop doing that. You know what? 67% of working Indians sometimes, often, or always think about work when they are not on work. So don't try to do too much multitasking. So just focus on the work that you're doing at the moment. When you're at the work, when you're at the office, just focus on the work. Just try to get things done. And when you're at home with your family, with your wife, with your girlfriend, just try to be mentally present at the moment. Just try to give them the mental attention that you have, that they expect. Don't try to do too much multitasking. Believe me, I know why people try to do too much multitasking. They think that it will improve their productivity. But let me tell you the truth right now. It does not improve your productivity. So what happens is when you're at work and you're thinking about your wife, your girlfriend, your party plans with a friend, your work get affected. And you will have the spillovers of the work and you will say that I have work spillovers and I'll have to do it at home. So by doing this, you are affecting your personal life and it also goes the other way around. So stop doing too much multitasking, just focus on the work that you're doing right now. I've also seen people expecting too much from their surrounding. They always expect others to be nice, to be sweet to them. They always make things about themselves, they always cry and they always think that people are not understanding them. I don't know why they do it. They want to have zero responsibility, absolutely zero responsibility. I want to make it clear that it's not always about you. It's about people around you. You have to make people around you happy, people around you satisfied. If you're at home, you have to make your wife, your family, your girlfriend happy. If you're at work, you have to make your boss, your colleagues happy by doing good work. So don't always make things about you. It's about people around you. So there is really good video, the tech lead, made on this topic. You should check out that video. I'll put the link below. So let me tell you how it works. So it usually starts from one, then propagates to other, then propagates back, then propagates to other, and it becomes a loop. And this loop will never end unless you kill it yourself. So it becomes like a computer machine where 10 heavy processes are running, which are putting load on CPU and RAM. And since CPU and RAM are on heavy load, these are making these processes even slower. So for an example, if in the work something bad happened, so you are taking that tension, that work at home, where you should be spending time with your family, but because of the tension, you're getting complaints, you're getting fights from home also. And because of that fight, because of that home fight, home complaint, your work is getting affected. And because of your work, your personal life is getting affected. So you have to kill this loop, you have to stop this loop. And don't try to distract your mind like listening music and by any other means to kill this loop. It does not gonna happen. So the only way to stop this loop is to calm your mind. I know it's difficult, but I'm gonna tell you how you can do it. So imagine you're going from home to office, office to home, you're commuting, or you're sitting in a cafe. So just hold yourself for a bit and start breathing deeply and slowly and just start staying at the moment for just time being and start observing your surrounding. If you're surrounded by the nature, so start observing the nature. If you're surrounded by the people, so start observing the people around you. And if nothing is there, so start focusing on your breathing. and just do it for a couple of minutes. And you will see that your brain starts to calm down, and then you will be able to solve the problem whatever you are facing. So just focus on the work that you're doing and don't do too much multitasking. And still, if you get into this loop, so you know exactly how to break it. So guys, that's it from my side. If you like the video, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See ya, I'll see you next time.